We grew up assuming that if something went wrong, someone nearby would know what to do. But in a real emergency, that someone is usually whoever is in the room, which is you. If a child started choking, collapsed, or had a seizure in front of you, what would you do first? Our first aid training course doesn't just tell you theory, it trains you step by step to stay calm, assess, and act in the most common real-life emergencies. Across 9 structured modules, you'll learn CPR for adults and children, how to help when someone is choking or having a seizure, how to manage burns, fractures, allergic reactions, and poisoning, when to call for help, and how to communicate with emergency services. Once you finish, you'll earn a CPD accredited certificate that shows you're ready to act, not just wait. The next emergency won't announce itself, but you can be ready for it, starting today. Enroll now at iom.h.uk and take your first step from bystander to first responder.